Hi everyone, in this application example we will calculate the minimum number of heat exchanger for a concrete problem. We are given a complete problem table, the complete set of stream plus the minimum approach 10 Celsius, and we know also the utilities we can use: steam at 240 as heating and low temperature cooling at -5 Celsius. With the complete problem table and the minimum approach 10 Celsius, we can calculate the problem table algorithm, the heat cascade, and build and draw the grand composite curve. What is important in calculating the minimum number of heat exchangers is knowing the pinch that separates the problem in regions. The process pinch here lies at 82 displaced temperature. That means 87 have the minimum approach up for the hot streams and 77 have the minimum approach 5 Celsius down for cold streams. With this division, 87 Celsius for the hot and 77 Celsius for the cold streams, we can know what streams are above the pinch. It is those hot streams that have some part above 87 Celsius and those cold streams that have some part over 77 Celsius. This includes the heating, because utilities must also be taken into account for counting the minimum number of heat exchangers, and all process streams except this one that is below the pinch, starts at 87, is a hot, or below. This one that is also a hot stream minus 136 but is below the pinch at 8 Celsius, and this cold one from 5 to 5 below 77 Celsius. This made for 8 streams above the pinch, 8 part of streams above the pinch, minus 1, 7 minimum heat exchanger. And the same thing below the pinch. Any hot stream with some part below 87 is counted, and also every cold stream with some part below 77 Celsius, including the cooling that must be taken into account. This left us 5 part of streams or whole streams below the pinch that minus 1 represent 4 minimum heat exchangers. Then 7 plus 4 makes for 11 minimum heat exchanger for the whole problem. If there are more than one pinch and more than 2 regions, the same procedure must be applied to every region for counting the whole number of heat exchangers. And this is all.